So you can see that I don't have the airbag light anymore. Scanned it, the RCM system passed through. So it's gonna be this unit. If you get that code, if you swapped over the seats, this is the unit that you gotta replace from your original seat, and this is under the passenger seat. And when you're rescanning it, just make sure you have nothing on your passenger seat, because it does pull the weight. So I don't know, it could throw a fault on that. But my code is gone for it. Luckily I had the original seat that I could throw over the piece from. The programming side, I haven't tried it, so I can't really help you with that part. But if you have the original seat, just throw it over and delete it. It worked. So I'm gonna be fixing that code. I will do the other part, the editing. But basically this is the piece. It's gonna be right here under the cushion. We have the seat still in the truck, so you could just pop it out of these lockers. And then you're gonna have two clips, and this is the sensor. So if you switch seats out, it looks like the sensor is VIN coded to your original car. So either program it or just swap it over from your original car and delete the code. So this is gonna be my new one, or this is the original one. So I'm taking out the new seat one, so I'll put it in this one, and I'm gonna delete the code and see if it's gonna come back with the original one.